Good morning and welcome to Grand Cayman. Now today is our second full port day here on the Odyssey of the Seas. And if you haven't checked out our day at Coco Cay, make sure to go watch that first. Although we only have 6 hours to explore the island, we absolutely—
Wait, look at that big fish.
Oh my gosh, what is that? Is that a shark?
There's at least like 10 of them.
After spending the entire morning disembarking our cruise and catching a tiny boat to the island,
We made it to Grand Cayman.
Woo!
So this week we're touring with my family. This is my mom, Beth. This is my shirtless dad, Mike. Hey, everybody.
Got
My
Bert.
sister, Kayla.
And Uncle Tortuga!
like I mentioned earlier, we really didn't do a whole lot our first few hours on the island. We walked around the port area, did a little bit of shopping, grabbed some snacks, enjoyed the views, and even met some new friends. Before we knew it, it was time to check in for our excursion.
Going down. Get to the back. Okay. And then we'll jump seats. We got one little hole. It's a little hot, but we're getting there.
Little hot, little cramped.
Yeah, they're gonna pick up more people. We don't even have any seats. We have to sit in the aisle.
Now that our bus ride is over, we've got a boat ride to catch. Stop number 1 is stingrays?
Nope. Coral.
Coral.
To be completely honest, this coral viewing area completely blew our expectations out of the water. The clarity was unbeatable. Plus, we saw tons of pretty fish, and you guessed it, coral. Not only did it remind us of snorkeling the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, but just when we thought it couldn't get any better, this happened. Oh yeah, and a few barracudas too. But before we knew it, it was time to get back on the boat and head to stop number 2.
Stop number 2 is swimming with the stingrays. I think we're just gonna go stand out on the sandbar and see some stingrays. I'm doing the stingray shuffle.
Oh yeah.
I'll just say, stop number 2 amazed us just as much as stop number 1. And even though we were a little bit overwhelmed with just how many people there were here, we quickly learned why Stingray City is called Stingray City. The last and final stop of our Stingray snorkeling tour brought us to Starfish Point, a spot where, due to visitors like this,
Don't take it out of the water, boss.
Put it in.
Don't take it out of the water, boss man.
Don't take it.
I'm sorry. I was
Keep it in the water.
in the water.
unfortunately, many of the starfish are dying. The entire time we were there, our boat saw 2 starfish, one found by our guide and one found by Tyler.
Good job, Tyler.
And just like that, our tour was over. And all we needed to worry about was getting back on board the Odyssey of the Seas before it left us in Grand Cayman forever.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We've officially made it back onto the boat. We loved our time in Grand Cayman. The stingrays were absolutely amazing. Tomorrow we're finally porting in Country 33. I know we've been teasing you guys a lot with that, but we can't wait. Make sure to subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye. Oh no, it got sunny.
Oh,
Are you getting a floaty?
I'm not. Are you?
No. Yeah, I might. No. Had to stop and get a snow cone. Perfect snack before snorkeling.